It seems as if hours are days. The raindrops are falling one by one.